Hello and welcome to CIS News, bringing you eye on the news of October month. Let's have a look at our monthly academics.
Reading is freedom for the mind and laughter for the soul. Reading promotes love for literature and critical thinking skills. Readathon is an initiative by Countryside International School to promote the joy of reading in Nature's Lab. At Countryside, we believe that one should embrace the joy of reading and experience the vast world of imaginations.
CIS invites you all to read together in our campus, to revisit your childhood and cuddle into the world of books. Also, do not forget to check out a readathon song that has been published on our YouTube channel. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside of you that is greater than any obstacle. Competitive exams are a crucial role in any student's academic journey. It not only helps them evaluate their knowledge and understanding of the subject, but also plays a vital role in building their confidence. Olympiad exams are successfully been conducted in CIS.
Robotics designing workshop was conducted for scholars of class 7th and 8th. The objective of the workshop was to help scholars create intelligent cars that could assist humans in variety of ways.
Competitive programming is a mind sport where participants write programs that solve given problems. Our scholars of grade 11th and 12th science enthusiastically participated in the programming challenge held at CIS.
Field trips provide an alternative educational opportunity for children and also provide students the opportunity to take a break from their normal life and experience more hands-on learning. CIS scholars of class 4th visited Surat Fort and classes 5th and 6th visited Dandi Ashram. Classes 9th and 10th visited Agricultural University. They were super excited and enjoyed with a lot learning.
Festival for classical singing was held at Chota Udaipur. CIS scholar Rahul Kansara bagged second position and is qualified for state level. We wish him good luck.
Let's have a look at trainings and seminars. Talk of the month on Preserve Your Vision. Stress, Strain and Digital Screen for grade 6 students was conducted by our guest Dr. Dishant Gandhi.
Informative and interactive session was conducted with Mr. Akshay Khatri, also known as Mr. Calculator. He is record holder of India Book, Asia Book and 2 times International Book of Record. CIS scholars thoroughly enjoyed the session.
session was conducted for nursery to grade 4 exclusively by Mr. Parth Kotia, storyteller of NIAA Creations, playwright and singer, founder and host of STOP podcast. Let's have a look at sports activities.
Martial arts is the perfect combination of mind, body and spirit. Head boy Vivan Vader from grade 9 have secured gold medal in International Taekwondo Championship held on October 6 and 7. Moment of pride for India. Hearty congratulations to Vivan for his unprecedented achievements.
SGF and CBSE organize sports events at different level for independent category of school every year in various age groups. Our CAS scholars participated in various activities and are representing our school at state level. We wish them good luck.
Let's have a look at our monthly events and celebrations. CIS celebrated Gandhi Jayanti, birthday of the great leader who gave the world the invincible weapons of truth, non-violence and compassion. We at CIS have close ideologies linked to Gandhiji's beliefs.
Ahimsa Parmo Dharma. These were the words spoken by Mahatma Gandhi. So today we are celebrating the birthday of two great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, in our CIS campus.
Here students are involved in calligraphy portraits for Mahatma Gandhi. The day ended with thought in everybody's mind that cleanliness is a way to godliness and a way to reach his mankind.
CIS organized Navratri celebration Garba, in which students of all grades participated with great enthusiasm. The celebration started by offering prayer to Ma Durga. All the students attired in traditional dresses added to the festive mood. Students along with the teachers played Garba with their hearts out, creating vibrant and exuberant show. Let's have a look at Learning Planets activities. joining us. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember, knowledge is the key to empowerment. We'll be back with more updates soon. Until then, continue to shine and have a fantastic day.